ATM and wealth creation moves to make this year. Hey guys, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will provide you with consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Why do you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's going to be different for each person, but a lot of folks want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. They want to supplement their retirement, or this is their retirement. They want to make decent returns with their money instead of outlaying hundreds of thousands of dollars in investments. They want to create wealth, build a legacy, right? And something else that I might not even say, right? It's going to be different for each person, right? But that's why you want passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, all right? Now, if you would like help in starting your own ATM business and you'd like me to help you, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link in the description, enter your email when you get there. There's a training video, and then you could book a call with my team to see if we're going to be a fit to work together, all right? Please do me a favor. Before you go any further, give me some thumbs up for this video, all right? And click that little ATM that's right in the corner, or it might be right there in the corner. I don't know, but it's a little ATM in one of these corners. Click that, right? You're going to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you first know about it, all right? So, here we go. It's a new year now, right? I know I'm a little delayed. It's January 7th, but it's 2022, okay? And I'm going to have a little real talk with you here, okay? So, why haven't you started your ATM business yet? What are you waiting for? Seriously, what are you waiting for? I'm tired of your excuses. You should be tired of your excuses. Your wife is probably tired of your excuses. Your kids are probably tired of your excuses. Everybody around you is probably tired of your excuses. What are you waiting for? All right, I'm going to share something really personal with you right now. All right, and some of you already know this if you follow me on Facebook. Some of you won't know this. So the day after Christmas, I asked my wife for a divorce. I know you're probably like, what? I just saw a video you made a couple of videos ago saying how in love you are with your wife. Yes, that's true. But sometimes shit happens that you're done and you won't take it anymore, right? You get what I'm saying? Now, fast forward, yes, I still have my wedding ring on. Fast forward, we've been talking a lot, working through some stuff. I asked for a divorce based on something outright that was right there. But I think there was something below the surface that needed to be worked on. Right? And that's why this part I saw, right? Anyways, bottom line is like, we're trying to work through things, right? So I'm not getting a divorce now yet, right? I have no idea. I have no idea what the future holds for me and my marriage. Neither does my wife, right? I have no idea, none. All I know is right now. And right now, we both love each other and we're willing to try to work through things, right? But here's the thing. I've been going through, and stay with me here because there's going to be an important point here. I've been going through hell, my heart, my head, mentally, everything, emotionally. I've been going through a big clusterfuck, if you will, right? I would say probably, I don't want to say the whole month of December. December was pretty bad, but it was good and then confusing and good and confusing, and then it just got fucking drastically horrible until the point where day after Christmas I asked for a divorce, right? And then of course now I'm dealing with that, like, oh my God, like this is the love of my life and I'm asking for a divorce and this is over, and all these emotions and feelings, right? So from then until, I don't know, I guess a couple days ago, we really started talking more and decided that we're gonna give it a shot. And that other stuff that I was talking about, we're gonna work on this because I think this was the issue. I could be wrong, right? I'm not no expert when it comes to relationships, right? But I think that this thing right here was the issue. And I think if we work on this, then we could be better than we ever been. You know what I mean? But here's my point. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't do shit. I cried all the time. That's all I did. I missed 2 coaching calls with students, right? I do weekly coaching calls. I couldn't do them. And fortunately, I have a student who is amazing. All my students are amazing, but one is super amazing. We became friends. And he offered to do coaching calls until I was ready to do calls again, right? Shout out to him. He knows who he is. But like, I was just so, I couldn't do nothing, right? Definitely didn't do anything in this business. You didn't see nothing from me in Instagram and nothing on here, right? I don't care. I didn't care. I don't care. My entire life is, we got to figure out how to do like divorce, right? I waited until I was, let's say we got together when I was 33, right? But we didn't get married until I was 38. I waited until I was 38 to get married for the first time because I didn't want to do it. Was it 38? Yeah, 38. Because I just want to be one-time married. That's it. That's all I wanted, right? I wanted to make sure this was the right person. I waited until I was 38, right? So anyways, I didn't do anything because this was like a major emotional, whatever you want to call it. But here's what I need you to know. Please, this is so important. If you've never listened to any other video, listen to this one. I didn't do anything. I cried all the time. I was miserable all the time. Sad, depressed all the time. But the ATMs kept making money. Do you hear me? I didn't do shit. I laid in bed and fucking cried. That's what I did. The ATM business. The ATMs don't give a shit how Carey is feeling today or tomorrow or the next day. The ATMs keep making money, right? If I had a job, guess what? My boss doesn't give a fuck about my feelings and that I need to deal and figure out my feelings. My boss don't care, right? If somebody dies, I get 3 days, right? If I ask for a divorce, I don't get shit. They don't care about I have to work through my feelings and cry and all that. Your job don't give a fuck. When will you figure that out? I'm telling you right now, you have to take this shit seriously right now this year. You never know when something is going to go wrong in your life. It's not a matter of if something will go wrong. It's a matter of when. Maybe you'll get divorced. Maybe somebody close to you will die. Maybe a parent will be sick and you need to take time off and you need to be with them all the time. Whatever. There could be a gabillion things, right? Maybe you realize that you are going through a deep depression for whatever reason. Maybe you're I don't even know. Whatever, right? That's going to be personal to everybody, right? But whatever it is, you need to realize you have to take care of you. And your job doesn't give a fuck about you taking care of you. And they never will. Okay? So you need to take yourself, your family, your mental and emotional well-being, and your financial well-being seriously this year, right now. Okay? You don't know what the future holds. The past is already behind you. All you can control is right now. You gotta do something. You gotta do something. At this point, I don't give a fuck if you start an ATM business. I just know the ATM business helps me when I don't want to do shit because it's still working, right? That's what passive income is. It still works even when you're not. It still works even when you're crying in bed, right? It still works even if you're broken down in the hospital. You know what I mean? Whatever it is. And I know I'm using a lot of fuck words today, and I'm sorry, but that's just how I fucking feel today. So fuck it is, right? But you gotta start taking this seriously. You've been fucking around too much. I know you have been. I'm talking to you. I know you have been. Stop it. Do something now. Do something now. Go to the link below. Watch the training video. Be like, oh my God, you know what? Yeah, the ATM isn't my thing. I don't want to do that. But decide that it's not your thing. And if you go and watch that training video, you're like, you know what? I can totally do this. Well, book a call with my team. I can help you. I can help you, right? Time is not on your side, okay? The reason you want to get coaching and get help from someone like me is to save time. It's not about saving money. You will save money in the end, but that's not what it's about. It's about saving time. Time is not your friend anymore. You're a grown up. You're an adult, right? Time doesn't get slower, it goes faster. Doesn't it feel that way? The older you get, the faster that year goes. Yeah. That's why you want somebody like me, right? To cut that learning curve, to cut that time down, right? So you can reach your goals faster than if you did it on your own, right? That's why. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of other benefits too, including saving money and other kind of stuff. But the big thing, the most important thing is time. You need to save time. You need to quit screwing around. You already screwed around enough. Why waste more time screwing around? You feel me? I know this was probably a really Debbie Downer of a video, but I hope I got my point across, right? You're making too many goddamn excuses for yourself, and you're buying them. You're making too many excuses to me. You're making too many excuses to my team. You're making too many excuses to the people around you, right? Oh, I don't have any money. Bullshit. Oh, but the money I do have, if I buy training, I won't have any money for an ATM and the money inside. Bullshit. Everything that you could possibly say to me while you have not started an ATM business yet is bullshit. That's what it is. Real talk. I'm going to give you real talk. It's bullshit. That's what it is. I say it with love. I say it with love because I care about you and I want you to have freedom. I want you to be able to do what you want, when you want, where you want, with who you want. I want you to not be tied down to that boss that tells you when you got to be at work, when you can leave, when and if you can go on vacation with a family, how much you can make every year. That's bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That is bullshit. I want different for you. But I can't want it more than you do. You gotta call out your own bullshit. Start right now. Start right now. Make 2022 different. Don't make me make the same damn video next year. All right? Don't. Do something now. All right? And if you want me to help you, I promise, Scout's honor, not that I'm a scout or anything. I used to be a Girl Scout. Does that count? I don't even know. But I promise, I'll pinky swear you. Pinky swear. I'm going to be on the coaching call next Monday. Monday is coming up, right? I'll be there. So if you join my training, I will be on that coaching call. All right? I'm back, right? I'm not going to probably be the same me that I was for a little bit, but I'll work my way there, right? I'm good enough for right now, good enough to share this message with you. And I know it's an important message because I know you got to do something, right? So anyways, if you got any questions, post them below, all right? You got ideas for future videos, post them below. Don't forget to like this video, even though there was a lot of F-bombs in it. Don't forget to click that ATM, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, select always, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. And most importantly, if there's one step that you want to take towards an ATM business today, and you'd like me to help you, just click the link in the video below, in the description below, enter your email address, and then watch that training video. It's only 28 minutes long. I'll be working on some new stuff coming up, but right now it's 28 minutes long. Watch it, and if you want to figure out if we're fit and I can help you, book a call with my team. It's a free call, right? It ain't gonna hurt you, but it has the ability to really help you and really change your life and your future, right? You can't control that what's going to happen in the future. All you can control is what you do right now. Right now. And what you do right now can affect your future positively or negatively, but you have no idea what's going to happen in the future. You could get hit by a truck right after you get done watching this video. But if you don't get hit by a truck right after you watch this video, what are you doing to secure the future that you want? You know what I'm saying? You have the passive income you need? You don't if you're watching this video. I know you don't if you're watching this video. All right? So, click the link in the description and watch the training video and book a call with my team. We'll see if we're fitting, and I can help you get to where you need to be. Okay? And we'll shrink the time that it takes you to get there, right? You know, because if it'll take you 5 years to get to where you want to be on your own, it'll take you 2 years with me. Would help. You get what I'm saying? Which is better, 5 or 2? Depends on what we're talking about. But in this circumstance, 2 is better. 2 is better in this circumstance, right? That's just I just made that number up, but you get what I'm saying, right? You're gonna collapse time frames. That's what you want to do. Save time. You ain't getting younger, baby. None of us are. Right? So you got to figure out how to get your time back. Do whatever you need to do to get your time back and make it your own. Okay? All right. I'm signing out. Remember, atmtrainingvideo.com. Just click that link in the description. And I'll talk to you soon. May you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always